Welcome to the transactions page on Greynote. This section allows you to manage, monitor, and track all financial activities within your school in one place. At the top of the page, you will see a summary of key metrics. You have the total transactions that shows you the total number of transactions that have been carried out within your school. You have the active students. This displays the number of students currently active on the platform. And you have available coins that shows you the total number of Greynote coins currently available to your school. These cards give you a quick snapshot of your school's activity and financial usage. We have the search function just below the summary cards that allows you to search for transactions using a reference number or a description, making it easy to locate specific records quickly. And to demonstrate a little bit, if we type in something like top up, you would see that the search brings up only descriptions that have top up within them. And that is how to use the search bar. We also have filter options to the right corner of the screen, where you have all type with which you can filter for different types of financial activities. You have subscription and you have wallet. You also have school item and you have collectible. Now under status, you have completed and failed transactions. So to view completed transactions, you can switch between that and also failed transactions. These filters help you narrow down transactions based on what you are looking for. The main transactions table displays detailed information for each transaction, including a reference number, which is a unique ID for each transaction. You have the description, which tells you what the transaction is for. You have the type, which is the category of the transaction. You have the amount, which is the value of the transaction in Naira. You have the coins, which is the number of Greynote coins involved. The date as well tells you when the transaction occurred, and the status tells you whether the transaction was completed or failed. To view any transaction on the page, you can click on it to expand it, and then you would see some more details concerning the transaction, including the date and time that it was created. You also have an option here to download the receipt. When you click on it, it brings out a page for you to download the receipt, and then you can save this receipt for accounting purposes as well. This table gives you full transparency into how funds and coins are used on the platform. You have the export option at the top right corner of the page, which allows you to download your transaction records for reporting, documentation, or accounting purposes. And that is how to use the transactions page on Greynote to stay informed, organized, and in control of your school's financial activities.